Time, very valuable. Take 4 letters in time. T, tolerance. We must have tolerance, patience. I, individual decision management with introspection. Introspection, analyze everything. Time. M, mold your mind. M, mold your mind and become the master to your mind. E, feel that you are energetic. Time, more valuable in life than anything. We can purchase anything. Even the land on this earth is over. We can even reach Mars, and we can even reach moon, and we can stay. But we can't purchase a single second of moment of time. Ever think that the time is not to be wasted? If we waste of time, waste is life waste. Make it so meaningful, my dear friends. Time. There is one sense that which you can create the history with one and only note of commitment. Take that commitment right now, my dear. Time, which is an instrument to prove that what you are. It is not just passing of time. You did not come onto this planet Earth to just pass. You came here to have a beautiful, remarkable things which you have to live here. Use the time to prove your sense, your abilities to help others selflessly. Feel that love. See God in all. Meditate every moment. Be in the right moment. Have with positive sense. Don't just let your mind to go on its way like a lay dog. Man's mind is like a mad monkey. Don't allow it to jump from here and there. Control with your conscience. Conscience, and use the time. Control the mind. Above to all, self-confidence. Above to all, self-satisfaction. Above to all, self-realization. Above to all, self. One thing is very essential. It is self-control. You control the mind and use the time purposefully. Purposefully. The values are to be adopted by you. If the thought of transformation and changing, if that doesn't arise right now, if that doesn't arise, our life will become dark. My dear friends, make your lives so meaningful by taking a commitment at this moment, right from this moment, that I will utilize my time. One thing I want to conclude before you open your eyes, close your eyes. If we misutilize the time which is passing will curse us. Sharp देकर जाते हैं वो, sharp curses, and it will go. The time which we will utilize it purposefully, meaningfully, it will bless us and it will go. Anywhere that will go, but let us get good blessings from our own lifetime and make our life so soulful and meaningful. You are committing this with you only. Take this commitment. Just open your hands first before opening the 2 beautiful gifts of you. Before opening the 2 beautiful gifts of you which God has given you. What are those? Your beautiful eyes. Every day you must smile. Before getting up from the bed, you must smile. Yes, there is another date in my lifetime. Don't ever get up and don't ever awake with a sense of disgust, with a sense of fed up, with a sense of that unrestness. Just start your day lovingly, fill the day lovingly, spend the day lovingly, and end the day lovingly, and spend the time lovingly. That is what our beautiful life is. And open your eyes and show your commitment. May your commitment reach my heart in the form of your applause. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear ones. Thank you.
Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box, and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.